Hey YouTube, I'm coming back with another one. I want to give a shout out to everyone. Happy Mother's Day. I hope y'all enjoy y'all wonderful, blessed Mother's Day today. So what I got in stores today is I'm gonna make some macaroni and cheese. Yes, macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna do the yellow. Ooh, hold on. I'm gonna do the yellow rice, and I'm gonna do some cornbread. Bread. Oh, I got that on honey. I wonder do I got another honey. Let me see. If not, I just need to do some. Oh yes, I do. I'll make some. I'll do the honey. Honey different mix today. And then I'm doing that. So, and then I'm also gonna do my chicken. I got some chicken breasts. They soak overnight. So I'm gonna put them on. Then I got a cake that I'm gonna make. A lemon cake. Ooh. And the icy. So yes, we got that. We got that going on. Kimber won't act right for the day. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put my thighs first. I'm finna go on and do my finna go on to put my cake and my cornbread in the oven already. Okay. So yes, this is what I'm gonna do. Put all this good stuff ready. Y'all forgot about this one, so I used that one in that order. Forgot about that one. So I'm gonna put my cornbread in here. And this, where I'm cooking my chicken, and I'm cooking my chicken on these. So, yes. So, that's how we gonna do it. So, I'm gonna get all this good stuff ready. And I will see you guys later when I get done. So, bye. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you're a mother, congratulations. If you just become a mother, congratulations. And yes, so we'll be back with another one. So bye for now.